we go. Boom, stops in place, drag my stop up. You guys see how I'm doing all this, right? I'm trying to give you guys another thing, right? I haven't done shares in a while. I'm trying to show you another way.
I'm
Coach,
staying with
wasn't
you,
it-
Coach.
Yep.
Coach, wasn't it a bug when you used the stop right at the time of order that it did not show up on your chart, but it's working for you, it seems.
Yeah, it's working. Yep, it's working today. So one of the updates made it work. You're right. A long time ago when I was doing this, you're right. It wouldn't work. And then I'd have to put it in manually. Now, like on this trade, as long as it stays above 240, notice we can use the same thing with how we trade everything, right? So this is 240. And then the next level is 234. You see how we can use the same things the whole time. EVLV, you called that out earlier, is getting ready to make new high a day.
Yeah, I'm in that one.
Thank you. By the way, if you guys see any 2-minute EWOs or anything moving, just call it out. There
Hey,
it goes.
Coach. Mullen's not quite into the EWO, but it's making a nice little move to the upside.
All right, thank you. EVLV, new high a day. EVLV, new high a day. Now right here on this RGTI, it's staying above 2453. That's bullish. Boom, I'm in the trade.
Apple broke pre-market to the downside.
All right, thank you. Now, do you guys see what I did? I put my stop down here just below 2453. And then you can let it run. And then as soon as it pops up above what I paid, I'll scoot it up. Boom. It guarantees and locks in, right? At least much more protection because listen, even if it super hammer pulls back, you could still lose money, even if you have a stop above what you paid, right? But it will at least protect me more because I'll be above what I paid. Mara, new high. Thank you. Checking it now. Yep, I see it. Mara, I'd like to see it break that 1466. You guys can see that as a huge level. So this one I would mark gold. See it there, VIP members, because look, it touched here, 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 and here. Does everybody see it? That's a lot. You see how many times that's touched? That is a major level of resistance. This is absolutely free. With your VIP membership, you just have to make sure to subscribe to the smallest service that they have for TradingView. And I have a link for that, which I believe is around 15 bucks a month. But you can see right here, it gives us all the different indications. You can see SPY right here this was your call. See it? You can see Tesla's been to the downside since 814. It's told you right here. Right, you can see on Amazon, it went from a call to a put, and now it's coming back up. Look at this thing. See how it's changing and it's showing us? Look at the green right here. This is showing all the buyers coming in. You can also see it down here. Let me show you guys. See it right here. There's your buyers. See the green? There's your green. You can also see this right here. The clouds will switch. As soon as they switch, that's also another bullish indicator. By the way, that's using the 2155 EMA. Right? All of this is built in to our system. You can see right here on Apple, look at the buyers coming in. See this? Look at that. SPY, you are absolutely locked in and making a crap load of money now on the 2-minute EWO. You can see on Apple, the shorts are fading and the buyers are coming in. Look at the TradingView indicators. Same thing on Tesla. You can see all buyers here and here. Guys, if you don't have this yet, go over to americandreamtrading.com and either get signed up for a VIP. That is absolutely free with your VIP membership,